Hello guys, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. If your iPad was stuck on the screen showing support.apple.com/iPad/restore, that means your iPad was in recovery mode. Besides iTunes, how to restore your iPad without any data loss? I've got some tips for you today. If your iPad was stuck on DFU mode, you can skip to next part. So the first method is to restore your iPad manually. To exit recovery mode on your iPad manually, you need to hold the home button and power button at the same time. When the screen goes black, loose your finger, then press the power button to start your iPad. But sometimes this method doesn't work 100%. So here goes the second method, restore your iPad with one click. First, that all you need to connect your iPad to your computer with a lightning cable. The tool we'll use in this video is called ReiBoot. You can find the download link in description below if you're interested. The feature we'll use is enter or exit recovery mode. Click on it, and then click on exit. Just with one click, your iPad will exit recovery and restore to normal mode. Very easy. I highly recommend you to try it. Also, you can restore your iPad with ReiBoot standard repair. By using this feature, your iPad data won't be lost. Also on ReiBoot, click on green start button and choose standard repair without data loss and hit the blue button to continue. Here you need to download the latest firmware of your iPad. Hit download to proceed. I've already downloaded the firmware, so I will click on start standard repair. Usually it takes about 10 minutes to repair the operating system, so please wait patiently. The running bar shows the repairing process. When it's done, it'll show that standard repair completed. Your iPad will be restored without any data loss. If your iPad was stuck on a black screen, it may probably in DFU mode. You can try to exit DFU mode manually. Also hold the home button and power button at the same time. Loose your finger when you see the Apple logo appears. Then your iPad will restore to normal mode. If you failed, you need to connect your iPad to computer. On iTunes, it will show that your iPad is in recovery mode. You must restore this iPad before it can be used with iTunes. If you don't want to lose any data, then you can't use iTunes because it will erase all the data on your iPad. But no worries, there is a way out. You can use ReiBoot to restore your iPad without any data loss. Also launch ReiBoot and hit green start button. Also standard repair. Download the firmware and start repairing. And sooner your iPad will get back to life again. That's it. Okay, so in today's video I've shown you how to restore your iPad without iTunes in recovery mode or DFU mode. All the methods won't cause any data loss. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up. I'll be grateful if you subscribe. See you in next video.